This is Technical Can YouTube channel. Today I am going to show you tutorial about how to make USB bootable by using command mode. First of all, insert your USB on USB port. Then after, click on start button, type CMD, right click on command mode CMD, click on right click on it, run as administrator, click on yes, type diskpart, press enter. Then after list disk, after that select disk 1, press enter, type clean, type create partition primary, type active and press enter. Then after format fs is equal to ntfs and type quick formatting. Then after type exit. Finally, USB has been booted successfully. Thank you so much.